Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use your balisong, or otherwise known as a butterfly knife. First, make sure the lock is down. Make sure the blade is pointed on the outside, and you don't want to have your balisong very sharp. Let go, turn your hand over, roll it, turn your hand over, and that'll be the back of the blade that touches your knuckles. Turn it over and catch it. Keep practicing and you'll be able to go pretty fast. You can also do tricks with it if you practice with your other hand. Like hand transfers. When you do a hand transfer, always make sure it's the handle that's going to be coming down. That way when you touch, the handle goes on the back. And then you can continue. Or you can be stupid and end up getting poked. Happens a few times. Or you can try being blindfolded. Get to know your knife before you decide to try anything like that. Because if you don't get to know your knife, well, you could possibly end up hitting with the blade when you try and catch it, which doesn't feel very good. So remember, be safe, be careful, and don't try this at home. So what's the point of making this video? I don't know. Just thought I'd put in a little bit of safety into here, you know? I mean, we all know you're going to try it at home anyway. So, have fun, and I did not give you permission.